Let's make some delicious baked chicken. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your chicken legs or chicken thighs, whatever you're using. You're going to go ahead and add some olive oil, and then you're going to add your seasoning. Now I'll make sure I leave all the seasonings below, but I used some Montreal chicken, I used a little bit of black pepper, I used some dried Italian herb seasoning, some lemon pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder. I threw in a little bit of lawrys. But like I said, I'll make sure to leave all the seasonings that I used below. Season it how you want to season it. And you're going to go ahead and make sure it's nicely coated, even under that skin. Next, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to a hot skillet, and we're going to sear off our chicken until it gets some beautiful brown color on it. And then we're going to go ahead and add it to our baking dish. Now here I made a little concoction of some water, some bouillon cubes, some butter, and some dried parsley flakes. Next, I'm going to add some minced garlic, some bell peppers and onions on top of my chicken. And then I'm going to pour over that buttery, brothy concoction that I made. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven at 375, covered, and let it bake for about an hour. After that, I'm going to take the cover off and I'm going to let it continue to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. The best baked chicken you'll ever have. Yum.